everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your YouTube locations and explain what it actually affects on your account. Many people think changing the YouTube locations will completely change their recommendations overnight, but that's not exactly how it works. So let's go through the process first and then I will explain what you can expect. First, just open the YouTube app on your phone like this and make sure you're signed in into your YouTube account. And then next, just tap on your profile picture like this. And then after that, just tap on this gear icon to go to settings and then tap on general like this. And then in here, at the locations, just choose the country or region that you want to use. For example, you can switch to the United States, United Kingdom, and another country that you want. For example, I want to change it to United States like this. And then after selecting your preferred locations, just go back to the YouTube homepage and then just refresh the page by pulling down on the feed or simply closing and reopen the YouTube like this. And that's it, your YouTube location has been changed. Now here's something important to know. Changing your YouTube locations doesn't completely reset or replace your recommendations. Your watch history and then search history, subscriptions, and viewing habits still have the biggest influence on what appears on your homepage like this. You can see it. What will usually change is region-based content such as news. Like this, you can see it. Like this, you can see it. It will relate to your country that you selected. So like for example, if you switch your locations to United States, you may start seeing more US related news and regional content like this. However, if you have been watching gaming videos or anime tutorials or creators from another country for a long time, YouTube will continue recommending similar content because the algorithm still recognize those interests. And if your goal is to see more content from a specific country, changing the location is only the first step. Next, you should also search for creators from that region and then watch their video regularly and then subscribe to their channels and interact with that content. And then over time, YouTube recommendation system will learn your new interests and start showing more videos from that locations. So don't be surprised if your homepage looks mostly the same right after changing the settings. That's completely normal. And okay, that's how you can change your YouTube locations and understand what it actually affects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.